Cat videos are one of the most watched content categories on YouTube, and with AI, you can create engaging and profitable videos without owning a cat. Cat videos have a massive audience. Channels like Cole and Marmalade and The Dodo earn millions of views, generating revenue through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. AI-powered tools for cat video creation. AI video generators. Platforms like Pictory or Runway ML, Lexical, Paclumen can generate videos from text prompts. Those AI image and videos generator are very important and easy to access because some have free and unlimited plan for users to enjoy. AI voiceovers, MEF. AI or 11 Labs can be used to create realistic voiceovers for your video. You can also try SpeechMa and any other AI voiceover to make your work stand out. AI script writers. ChatGPT or Jasper AI generate engaging scripts. I strongly recommend ChatGPT for script writing because of friendly user and accurate results it's offer. For new user, you can use the web version of it to access free plan and enjoy your work. Stock footage and AI editing. Storyblocks and Canvas AI-powered editor help create seamless videos. Those ones are mostly paid plan, but using CapCut is the best free video editing app one will recommend everyone to go for. With CapCut video editing because simple and interesting. Step-by-step process to create a viral cat video. Choose a niche and theme. Funny cat fails, rescue stories, or AI-generated cat animations. Write a script with AI. AI crafts an engaging storyline or narration. Generate or source footage. AI animations or copyright-free stock clips. Add AI voiceover and background music. Select a realistic voice like cat sounds and other related sounds. Edit the video. Use AI-powered editors like CapCut. Optimize for YouTube SEO. Use strong keywords, an engaging thumbnail, and compelling descriptions. This optimization helps your video to rank and perform well.
Uploading and promoting your video. Optimize the title and description. Use high-ranking keywords and engaging hooks. Eye-catching thumbnails. Stand out in search results. Leverage social media and forums. Share on Reddit, Facebook groups, and Instagram. Use YouTube Shorts. Drive traffic with short clips. If you find this article interesting, please kindly click on the subscription button for more videos. Thank you.